Hi you guys. So today, or tonight, I'm making some goulash. It's really cold and the weather dudes are all hopped up about snow and ice. And I thought in the next few days I'll just make some comfort food. And somebody I know mentioned they had goulash the other night and it just sounded good. So we're going to start out with 2 pounds of ground beef, and I use my potato masher on all ground meat. Don't buy specialty stuff when you got this at home. Save yourself a few dollars. Works really good. So I got that. I already cooked it off just to save us some time. I've got 1 medium onion diced up. And at this point I can switch my utensil. And my veggies, my broth, my tomato sauce, my noodles. So, get your onions in there and broken up. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Soften up a little bit. You'll also want to grate about 1.5 to 2 cups of cheese. You can do half mozzarella, half cheddar. I'm just going to do cheddar today. Precious! She's standing at the doggy door barking instead of going outside because it's too cold. Maybe I should put on her winter sweater. I got some salt. Splattered all over me. I'm ruining all my clothes. I need to start wearing an apron. Okay, pepper. And this is to taste. My husband will pepper it anyway. Y'all have men like that and pepper it, and they're still going to pepper it. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning. A teaspoon of adobo. Or however much you like. This is adobo. By Goya. And now I'm going to rinse my hand. I'm going to add some minced garlic, about 3 cloves, or however much you like. We like garlic. And then I didn't find any elbow macaroni in my pantry. Probably have it stashed back somewhere, I don't know. So I'm going to use Calatini. It's the spirally kind of elbowy. It'll work. You can use whatever pasta I'm sure that you want. Once we have all that mixed in, we are going to add some tomato sauce. This one was easy. I probably should have opened the other ones before I started. washed all my knives and stuff. I can't find anything. going to add some diced tomatoes. I'm going to add 2 cans. These are fire roasted. They have a nice flavor. Those are the organic ones. I get organic when I can, but a lot of that's a scam. But we can try. Tomatoes. Gotta get another can of tomato sauce. You like those ice cubes, Bella? Have you guys seen my new dog? She's something. So there we go. And then I'm going to add a can of corn to this. You don't have to add corn. I just like it. You could add green beans, you could add anything, or you could add none at all. I just like that texture and the sweetness. I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of beef bone broth. And that's it for now. We're going to cover it up and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and add our noodles. We're going to add 2 cups of noodles. And after they cook, we're going to add 2 cups of the cheese at the very end. And it will be ready. And this will last us. Probably have to freeze a bunch of it. So there we go. Cover it, turn it down to simmer, and let it cook for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be back to add the noodles. Okay guys, it's been about a 1/2 hour. I'm going to add 2 cups of my noodles. Get those stirred in there. And we'll cover it back up and let it cook until the noodles are done, and then we'll come back and add our cheese. I've grated up about 1.5 cups of cheddar. And I think I saw some mozzarella in there, so I'll grate some of that up. And add that when I add the cheddar. So we will be back. Okay everybody, the noodles are done. I'm going to add our cheese. And then we can serve it. Get it mixed up in there all nice. And if you didn't know, cheddar cheese and tomato go together beautifully. So does mozzarella. Probably gonna have red dots all over me now. Okay. Make sure that's stirred in real well. No lumps of cheese. scoop this up. Get some crackers. Turn that off. And there it is, you guys. So if you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, maybe think about it. I'm trying to work on this. And a thumbs up always helps. If you try the recipe, let me know if you like it. And I will see you next time. And have a great day, evening, morning, whatever it is where you're at. And if you're getting any of this really nasty weather, stay warm, stay cozy. I'll see you next time.